Okay, in this particular question, we've been asked to work out the relative atomic mass of this particular sample. In this case, it's a gold sample, and we've got two different isotopes of gold. And we've been asked to give our answer to two decimal places if it does have decimals at the end. So how are we going to work this out? Well, the first thing we need to do is take the relative isotopic masses and multiply that by the respective percentage abundances, right? And then we need to add those, right? We need to sum those. So this is what we're going to do first. So that's effectively 197 multiplied by 67.67, right? Add some brackets there. Then we add that to, in this case, 195 multiplied by 32.33, and add some brackets there. So what's that going to give us? So if you get a calculator and work that out, what we're going to get is 19635.34, right? And so what's the next step after we've done that? If you've done a question like this before, or you want to have a go, I would recommend you do try and have a go and figure out what the next step might be. But yeah, I'm going to proceed now. So in this case, as we might know, it is important to check whether the percentage abundances add up to 100% or not, because it's what the percentage abundances add up to is what we need to actually then divide this number by. Okay, now in this case we are looking at 67.67 plus 32.33. In this particular case, this adds up to 100, right? So this is 100%, right? Because of that, what we're going to divide this by is 100. So 19635.34 divided by 100, right? And what does that give us? That gives us 196.3534, right? And what is the question asked us to do? Is this the answer? Well, not exactly, right? Because we've been asked to give the answer to two decimal places. It's important to pay attention to what the question is specified as far as the actual presentation of the answer. So in this case, it's 196.35. So obviously if we round this, we get 0.35. Now do we have our answer? Yes, now we do have our answer. Okay, so in this case, the relative atomic mass is 196.35. Okay.